Hello, my friend. My name is David Wang. I'm the General Manager of QL Custom Technology Limited. Since 1997, a Hong Kongese Jew created this company from doing power cables. I joined in this company after I graduated from my college in 2008. After I joined in this company, we are beginning making custom wire harness and molded cable assemblies based on IPC 620, which is a North American wire harness quality standard. After Jill retired, I taken over this company since 2020. I established Changsha factory since 2021 and moved some equipment from Dongguan to Changsha. We are a small factory, only have about 25 people, including office and workshop, and including cooking house. We are committed. Our core value is custom-made cables, from simple harness to complex automotive wire harness, and from small quantity to large orders. We understand today's customers' needs is a high degree of customization. So we have complete sets of equipment from cutting wires to final electrical testing. We take care every details and find the best solution to make your cable's performance well. I'm looking forward one day you can come to us to see how we work and how your cable harness is produced here. If you have any questions or inquiry, please click below email. We promise you to reply in 4 hours. Thank you.